What's happening, everybody, and welcome to Royal Kennels. Y'all, please excuse my excitement. I was just informed by USPS that our package with dog treats from Grub Terra has just arrived. And y'all, I must say, it has been a very fast shipping process. It's in the mail, y'all. Bam. Not important. To make your own purchase, we will provide a link to Grub Terra in our description. And upon checkout, make sure you use GRUB10 as your discount code to receive 10% off of your purchase. All right, guys, so as you can see, very solid package. Super solid. Let's see the cap. Ooh, wow, guys. Yo, this is everything. I'm super shocked, y'all. I was not expecting it to look like this, truly. Wow, these suckers look edible. Ooh, that looks edible, y'all. Also, it's a resealable package. Super cool, super durable, and to top it off, Bully? Is it Bully Bites? That alone will make me purchase. All right, guys, so y'all seen the shipment came fast. It was packaged amazing. The inside package of the contents, super durable with a resealable top. And y'all, the texture of the treat, absolutely amazing. They look super cool, they smell cool, they're super healthy. Well, let's see if the bulls like them. Sexy boy, that's cool. Look what we got. Sit. There you go. Okay, guys, I would say the bull approves. Calm down, big guy. All right, y'all, super excited, super satisfied. Let's get it.